probably all thinking I'm absolutely mental pulling a £65,000 car apart, but...
Alright guys, welcome back to Evil GT. I'm Lee. I'm holding the camera today. Benji's driving the green machine. We're in Dudley. We're going to Vibe Belts to get some yellow seat belts for the RS4, and we're going to Performance German Day. No?
We're getting green seat belts for this.
Oh, we're getting green, right? Yeah. And we're getting green seat belts.
Yes.
Which might be a bit too much green. What do you reckon?
Definitely not.
We're 1 minute away now. We'll see you there. Hey, is this where Tom has moved to?
So we have arrived here at Vibe Belts. You're going to be entrusted with pulling the RS3 apart inside now.
Be alright.
Well, I'm glad he's got faith, because we had to go with the RS4 yesterday to bring the seatbelts down from that car, an absolute nightmare, so good luck with that. I've already decided on the colour that I'm having for this, it's lime green, and then we've still got to decide on the colour for the RS4 seatbelts as well.
That is more you. Do you get many people doing the pink?
Yeah.
You can't get many, surely.
Sugar Candy, it's called.
How long to take these belts out of the car? Because it took us about 4 hours yesterday to get the RS4 ones out.
That was only 4 of them.
Take them all out, rewear them and put them back in. About 4 hours.
4 hours? So he's going to do the whole job and we only got them out?
Well, I'm saying that now.
So how Callum usually does it is he'll take a belt out, then he'll put the new colour, whatever colour you're having, he'll put that in, and then he puts that belt back in and the trim pieces back on, so he knows all the bolts that he's took out and all the little clips and things are all for that particular bit.
We can't really show the process, can we, too much?
Top secret.
Because it's top secret, but we'll come and have a look anyway. Do you keep the old belts for anything?
Scrap them.
You just go in the bin, yeah?
Yeah.
Seems a bit of a waste, isn't it? Really?
Oh yeah, it does.
Why do they have to be so long?
I don't know. Probably for the more rotund of people like us.
I mean, look at the size of that.
It's just obviously with different sized people and stuff, and once you put this in, I'll show you on the front already starts from the bottom, goes to the top, and always comes back down, so you're already that length before you even put it around someone.
For the weight saving, because you're always looking for a bit of weight saving, aren't you?
Yeah.
Don't put as much in, save you a couple of pounds, won't it?
It will be. If you ever come to sell it to a fat bloke, we'll go to get in it and drive it.
Won't
Can't get
do
it.
it, yeah. This is the first on Evil GT. This is the first sewing we've ever seen.
I remember seeing my mum do it as a kid.
I must admit, you are a very good sewer. See, what is it? It's not a sewer, is it? It's not the term.
So machinist, maybe.
Do we know how much this job is?
No, I've not a clue. I was hoping you were paying. You're not paying?
Well, we'll get
you
to
didn't
that
get me anything for Christmas.
We'll get to that. We'll get to that in a minute.
So normally 2 belts apart and fits 150, 4's 300 and 5's 330.
Okay, so we want the whole car doing 330.
330, yeah.
You taking them out and then putting the new ones back in, that's you doing all the
I
labour.
do everything, yeah.
If someone was to take the belts out themselves and give you the belts, how much for that?
It's £30 a belt.
Alright, so 150. Evil GT 99. Callum, yeah? Evil GT.
Yeah,
Alright,
what we
we'll
do
go
is-
with Evil GT 90.
Yeah, 90% off, innit? That's what our audience expects, mate. I'm really sorry.
You ever show-
No, it's fine. He said that. You heard that, didn't you? So as you can see here, this one now is in.
That is an absolute perfect match.
It's only perfect, but it'll have to do.
That's what we do here. Well, that's what you do, isn't it? Not us. So that is 2 of the belts in front and the rear. Not done the centre one yet.
No.
They're supposedly the tricky ones, yeah?
Well, yeah.
Are they the tricky ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
Well, we tried, mate. Absolute nightmare in the RS4, yeah.
We're on 20 past 11.
You're still timing him?
Hey, when someone says 4 hours, I'm holding.
What time did you get here?
Half 9.
I think you started at 10, so you've done
10.
you've done an hour and 20 minutes.
Till 2.
You got plenty of time, haven't you?
Do you want a cup of tea?
Hey, there's no
the
time for
booze on.
tea around here, mate.
I went out the way, I brought like some cups and tea and stuff.
Have you watched Evil GT?
A little bit.
Have you got biscuits then?
There's a girl in there, go have a word with her.
This sounds a bit cheeky, but have you got any biscuits?
Before we go any further, I just wanted to tell you about Y-Food's new flavour, lemon cheesecake. This is absolutely amazing. They've got loads of other flavours, but this is a new one. Yeah, what do you think about it?
What I do know about these is they are full of vitamins and minerals, 26 to be exact, low in sugar, high in fibre, high in protein, and they're lactose and gluten free.
Not only that, it keeps you full for up to 5 hours. And if shakes aren't your thing, they've got powders, they've got bars, which are your personal favourite, aren't they?
I love the bars, me.
So go and check out their website. They've got loads of different bundles, taster bundles, different flavours, things like that. But that's not the best thing about Y-Food, is it?
That isn't the best bit. The best bit is we have secured you guys 10% off. All you need to do, Evil GT10, link is in the description. Go on the website, have a look. There's loads of stuff to choose from. And take our word for it, this is really good stuff. Buy you a drink. First drink tonight. You can tell me why all them holes are in there.
Give us a clue.
Nets.
Yeah.
I still
don't know, do you? No. Alright, looks like the first round's on you then. Cheers, mate. How did you get into this job?
I did upholstery. These seats are all mine, what I've done. So pretty much most of these, apart from these three. So everything else I did the seats, and we kept getting asked questions.
So why don't you do the seats anymore?
I do sometimes, but not at this unit.
So basically, the seat belts is the easier job. I don't blame you. I'd be doing the easier one.
No, you do. You hold the camera.
So Uncle Benji, you've got a certificate for everything, right?
Yeah.
Everybody knows that on YouTube.
Yeah. Can you show me how to do it?
You don't need any tuition. Take the seat.
So if I just do the same as what you did there at that end, is that just like a...
I've got one tip for you.
What?
Don't stitch your fingers to that.
Well, that's me only worry. What am I doing here? Yeah?
Get your push it forward.
Holy. Oh, I've gone right to the edge there. I've come off the edge. No, is this going to break it? No, it won't.
Get that way now.
Oh, pressing the pedal at the same time.
Where are you?
I don't know where I'm going here. Oh, I'm not going enough, 1 sec.
I think I'm filming in slow-mo. Tapping out, yeah.
I'm tapping out now, that's it, that's me done.
Press backwards on it.
Press back that way.
Hold the back one, yeah.
Is that it now?
Yeah, that's it, put it away.
Thank God for that. How
It should cut it anyway.
Oh, how did that just happen?
That's what that back button was, it's got a blade underneath.
Oh, hey.
Right, I'm going to try and keep a straight face when I look at this. Keep it steady then, people want to see. Wow.
Hey, it's not neat.
Wow.
It's not neat, but look. So this is a technique that I've just patented myself, where you go over the edge for extra strength and support.
If they do come here, the Vibe belts, you ain't going to be stitching any seat belts. No?
You know, if you squint at it or put it like from here, it doesn't look that bad, does it?
Have you got a printer? Have you got a printer, yeah? A machinist certificate.
Told you. Try me hand at anything.
Why are you walking away, Benji?
I can't watch.
I mean, I can see the inside of your seat here. How many of these have you done?
Just in middle seats, those?
Loads. So,
Yeah.
as bad as it looks, it's...
As bad as it looks, I do sort of know what to do.
Both sides are now done, front and back. So it's just the middle one to do, which we will know in our experience is a nightmare to try and do, because you've got to get in the back of the seat and to the bolt, and it's horrible. So anyway, it doesn't look the best
Well,
when you see it.
You've got to take the seat apart.
You've got to pull the upholstery back, like the leather back, the foam back, get to the bolt, get it all out. Anyway, it doesn't look great, but it'll be fine. Don't worry. You're probably all thinking I'm absolutely mental pulling a £65,000 car apart, but it'll be worth it when you see the bright green belts.
Got
10 o'clock we started, yeah. So what time is it now?
You've got 50 minutes left. 49 to be exact.
49 minutes left.
Yeah.
You're basically done, aren't you? You just got to put the seat back in.
Yeah.
Oh no. It's twisted.
What?
The belt's twisted.
No, it's not. It's fine.
Just because it has to come over your lap like that. So that's why the wear's up twisted, it's got to come over
Yeah, I'm just
like that.
winding him up. I love winding him up.
He loves it, mate. Ignore him.
To be honest, leave it like that. No one gets in the back anyway, do they?
It'd be different if it was your car, wouldn't it? Well, happy with that. What do you reckon? Are you happy?
I think it looks amazing.
Well, the fact of the matter is, you can't option anything else in the UK. You can in Germany and places like that. All you can get is black, 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 everything. And we wanted to give it, well, I wanted to give it a bit of a splash of colour inside just to make it look a bit better. And there you are, and I think for 330 quid, completely supplied and fitted, for me it's a bargain modification to give your interior a bit of a better look.
If you want to do it yourself, take the seat belts out.
Yeah,
It's £30 a belt.
which again is a bargain.
That's a
But
bargain.
I'll be honest with you, for another 150 quid, is it something like that?
Thereabouts.
I'd get Callum to do it because I couldn't be bothered with that.
Yeah. So the link is in the description. Vibe belts. The Instagram is preferred method of contact.
Yeah, that's how we contacted him. So so yeah, he responds to you immediately on there.
We have got you guys a special discount.
We have?
I don't know what it is,
No, we're going to work on that for you, but we'll get you one.
but the link is in the description for
There
the
you
discount.
go. Yeah.
One last thing before we go, we are leaving the RS4 belts here. And
Yeah.
we've got a dilemma now.
We have. Let me
Yellow.
turn these round.
Which yellow do
So
we
there's
go for?
there's yellow.
That is yellow.
That is very yellow. Then there's like a goldy sort of colour, and then there's the colour that we should have,
Okay.
that we think it should be. So what do you reckon? 1, 2, or 3?
Well, I'm going with the 3.
Me
because
too.
I think that is the exact same yellow as the calipers.
Yeah, definitely. That's too luminous and bright.
Yeah.
That's too goldy. That's definitely the colour to have. I know this modification ain't going to be for everyone. I know that a lot of people are like, no, black belts should just stay black and boring and that sort of thing. But please, your input would be very much appreciated, so let us know. So, once again, thank you very much to Callum Vibe Belts. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. Thank you very much. And yeah, if you want to see how hard it is to put seat belts in, we'll be doing a video where we're trying to put the RS4 belts back into the RS4, and you'll see why it's worth paying Callum to do it.
And if you want more content on this car, that's another reason to subscribe. We've got loads more coming on that. The wheels are going to be changed. You're going to change them. What for? We don't know yet.
No, even I don't know yet, but we're in talks with a new company, which sounds really exciting and amazing. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. That'll be good.
And don't forget, follow us on Instagram, Evil GT Cars. Got the power modifications on this. Who knows what stage it's going to be at? It's going to be stage 1, then 2, then 3. Did he do a stage 4 as well?
I just want it to be extra rapid.
So ideally, 600 horsepower. Perfect, yeah?
I'll take that all day.